Hi guys! Are you familiar with the word catfishing? If you are engaged in online dating, then this word must be familiar kasi dito po ito nag-a-apply. Tinignan ko sa Google guys, ano bang ibig sabihin ng catfishing? Ayon kay Google, yung catfishing is creating a fake identity online, often with stolen pictures or photos in order to deceive or for other malicious purposes such as scamming and fake accounts. So guys, malinaw yun ang sabi ni Google, it's an online fake identity na gumagamit daw po ng mga stolen pictures. In other words, you are using a picture that is not yours. For the purpose of, and almost always ang kanilang purpose is to deceive or for malicious purposes. Guys, yung mga senior citizens like myself are the most vulnerable to this kind of scheme. And why is that? Kasi po as a senior citizen, as we age, ibig kong sabihin, yung ating social life is beginning to narrow down so that this is because of physical limitations and other health issues. So that sa katagalan, we resort to social media for our social needs like meeting new friends and other social activities. Okay guys, I myself as a senior citizen has been a victim of catfishers many times over. To guys, akala ko yung kausap ko yung nasa picture, yung pala ay hindi. This is usually the case when you talk about catfishers, and usually they use pictures that was circulated 3 or 4 years ago, so that hindi na natin ito makikita masyado sa mga platforms natin today dahil nga 3 or 4 years ago pa yon. And usually they use photos of Hollywood stars na hindi masyadong sumikat. So, hindi sila masyadong familiar sa atin yung kanilang itsura. And guys, I tell you, if you look at the profile picture, they really look gorgeous. Promise. Gorgeous talaga, guys. So that, like, yung mga first days of conversation, lulunurin kayo sa mga papuri, mga praises, and sweet talking. Kaya kung medyo mahina-hina ka, well, bibigay ka for sure. When I started engaging in online dating sites, naging biktima po ako nito maraming beses na. Pero ngayon, syempre, nag-iingat na po tayo. Okay? Ang sabi dito, marami gumagamit nga po ng stolen photos. So, ito lang ang masasabi ko guys pagdating dito. Please do not trust a picture. Do not trust a picture or a photo. Be sure na kilalanin nyo yung person behind the picture. That is the way to do it. It's nice to make friends. Pero guys, kung mga frustration din lang like what I experienced, because the friends which I thought were real and sincere turned out to be scammers and fake accounts. So sad, pero ganun po talaga. Kaya mag-iingat lang po tayo. Okay? Guys, sana nakatulong.